If you think you know Hanoi, you don't know this place. The Old Quarter is a living time machine. 1 minute, you're dodging scooters. The next, you're sipping coffee in a 100-year-old shop hidden behind a silk store. And yes, there's a street here where a train passes just inches from your table. Welcome to Hanoi's beating heart, a tangled web of history, chaos and charm that's been here for over 1,000 years. The story begins in 1010 when Emperor Li Tai-to moved the capital here, calling it Tungalong, the city of the rising dragon. Craftsmen set up shop right outside the citadel walls, and over centuries, their guilds grew into the famous 36 streets. These streets still carry their original trade names: Hàng Bạc for silver, Hàng Mã for ceremonial paper goods, Hàng Đào for silk, and here's the fun part, you can still find what the name says, most of the time. Back then, shopfront taxes were based on street width, so families built what we now call tube houses, narrow at the front, stretching deep inside. Some of these go back centuries, hiding courtyards, altars, and even secret cafes in the back. But the Old Quarter isn't just stuck in the past. Just wait until you're sitting at a tiny cafe and a massive train rumbles by, so close you could high-five the driver. This is Train Street, where schedules are more like suggestions and the adrenaline is free. You can't be here without eating. Start your morning with a pho, but make it northern style. Lighter broth, flatter noodles, or hunt down bánh cuốn, rice noodles so delicate they're steamed on cloth, stretched over boiling water, then stuffed with pork and mushrooms. Come nightfall, the streets change character. The weekend night market stretches for blocks, selling everything from knockoff sneakers to handmade lanterns. If you're not shopping, grab a plastic stool, order a beer hoy, that's a fresh draft beer, and watch the theatre of life unfold. Now, between the scooters and the street stalls, you may stumble across St. Joseph's Cathedral, built in 1886 with its own slice of Gothic Paris right here in Vietnam. It's the perfect symbol of Hanoi's mashup of cultures. So, Hanoi's Old Quarter is certainly an experience to feel in your lungs, your stomach, and your heart. The longer you stay, the more it gets under your skin. And that's the danger. You might never want to leave. If you found this interesting, hit like and subscribe, and let us know if you've been here. What's your favorite place? Until next time, keep on adventuring.